Hello guys, welcome to my channel Game Master. Today we will learn calculation of microstate part 2. In the first part we have seen calculation of microstate from the given configuration. Now the second part of this lecture is when the term is given, then term symbol is given, and if Mulliken symbol is given, then also we can calculate the number of microstates. For configuration we have calculated earlier. Now the second case is the term. Now the chemical term is represented as 2s plus 1 L, and the term symbol is represented as 2s plus 1 L capital J as a subscript, where 2s plus 1 is the multiplicity, spin multiplicity. L is the total orbital number, J is the total angular momentum number, and small s is the spin of electron. So first we see when term is given how to calculate the number of microstates. In CSIR NET 2017, the question was asked for 2 marks. Calculate the number of microstates for 3F term. So initially you should know the values of L, and for these values of L the term letter. Okay. So for L is equal to 0, the term letter is S. For L is equal to 1 value, the term letter is capital P. For L is equal to 2, the term letter is D. For L equal to 3, the term letter is F. For L equal to 4, the term letter is G. For L equal to 5, term letter is H, and so on. Okay, so here we have 3 is equal to 2s plus 1. Here the spin multiplicity is given 3, therefore our 2s plus 1 is equal to 3, and the term letter is given F. It means that the L value of L is equal to 3. Because the term letter is given F, it means that the value of L is 3. So to calculate the number of microstate in case of term, there is a formula 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Now here 2s plus 1 is given, that is 3 into 2 into L, value of L is 3, so 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 3 into 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7, that is 21. So 21 is the correct answer for the number of microstates for 3F configuration. Second example, calculate the number of microstates for 1G term. Now this question was asked in GATE exam. Now for 1G term, the 2s plus 1 value is 1, and the value of L can be determined by knowing the value of L. So G term, for G term the value of L is 4. So we can write L is equal to 4. Now putting the values in the formula, 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1, we can calculate the number of microstate for 1G term. So 2s plus 1 is 1 into 2l plus 1, that is 2 into l value 4 plus 1. Therefore 1 into 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So for 1G term there are 9 microstates. So you can predict for any microstate or any term microstate. The second thing is that when the term symbol is given, then also you can calculate the number of microstate. Now the second case is that when term symbol is given. Now term symbol is represented as 2s plus 1 L capital J. Now here there is a difference between term and term symbol. This part is a term and whole part is known as term symbol. In term symbol value of J is written, in term value of J is not written. So let us see the formula for calculating the number of microstate when term symbol is given. When the term symbol is given, the microstate can be calculated by using the formula 2j plus 1. This j is nothing but the angular momentum number, total angular momentum number. So for example, calculate the number of microstate for 3D 3 term symbol. 3D 3 term symbol. So here the given is 2s plus 1 value, that is 3. Now the letter is D, therefore the value of L is 2 and the value of J is also given, that is 3. But here you should use this formula only, 2 into J plus 1. Therefore the number of microstate for 3D term is M is equal to, that is microstates equal to 2 into J. So value of J is 3 plus 1. So 2 into 3 plus 6, 2 into 3 6 plus 1, that is 7 microstates. So 7 microstates for 3D 3 term. Another example, if you take 2p4 for number of microstate for 2p4 configuration. So here is a simple formula, 2 into J, value of J is 4 plus 1, that is 2 into 4, 8 plus 1, 9 microstates. So when term and term symbol is given, there is easy formula to use the number of microstates. Another thing is that when the Mulliken symbol is given, then we can also calculate the number of microstates. See, when Mulliken symbol is given, now in Mulliken symbol there are certain notations are used. A is for one dimension, E Mulliken symbol is used for 2 dimension, T symbol is used for 3 dimension. So when Mulliken symbol is given, then we can calculate the number of microstate by using the formula microstates equal to 2s plus 1 into dimension. Now this 2s plus 1 is nothing but the spin multiplicity. So let us see the example. Calculate the number of microstate for Mulliken symbol 2 e 9/4. Here the formula is 2s plus 1 into dimension. So here 2s plus 1 is nothing but the spin multiplicity 2 into dimension is e, therefore for e symbol 2 dimension, therefore 2 into 2 equal to 4 microstates. Second example. Suppose the Mulliken symbol is given 3T2G4. 3T2G4. For this Mulliken symbol, the number of microstates are calculated by using formula 2s plus 1 into dimension. Now the value of 2s plus 1 is 3 into, for t letter there is a 3 dimensional, therefore 3 into 3 equal to 9 microstates. So 9 is the correct answer for the number of microstate for 3T2G4 symbol. Next example, if the Mulliken symbol is given that is 3Ag, then calculate the number of microstate. So you can use same formula, 2s plus 1 is 3 into symbol is a, therefore for a there is a 1 dimension 1, so 3 into 1 equal to 3. So for 3Ag there are 3 microstates. Okay. So there is a one question was asked in CSIR NET exam. The question was somewhat different, but the answer is very simple. Here the question was the total degeneracy of ground term of CO2 high spin complex in octahedral geometry is. Here the question was asked like that, what is the total degeneracy of ground term CO2 high spin complex in octahedral geometry? Here one should know what is meant by degeneracy. Now here degeneracy is nothing but equal to number of microstates. So whenever degeneracy word comes, you should know that is microstates. Only the word is changed in terms of microstate. So we should know the complex is CO2 high spin, therefore for CO2 the electronic configuration is D7, and as the complex is high spin, it means the distribution of electron is T2G5 Eg2. Now here the configuration is given and you are asked to calculate the number of microstates. Now here term symbol is not given, term is not given, therefore Mulliken symbol is also not given. Here the configuration is given, then you have to calculate the number of microstate by using the formula n factorial upon number of electron factorial into n minus e factorial. We have seen n factorial means the number of holes, then divided by number of electrons into number of remaining holes. So here you can calculate microstate by using this formula, or you can use the ground term for this D7 configuration. For D7 configuration, the term is 4F. The term is 4F. Therefore, for term, when term is given, then we can use the formula 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. So here 2s plus 1 is 4 into 2l plus 1 is 2 into l. For f term, the value of l is 3. So 2 into 3 plus 1. Therefore 4 into 2 into 3 6 plus 1 7. 4 into 7 28. So 28 is the correct answer for the microstates. Therefore for CO2 high spin complex, the total degeneracy is 28. So this question was also asked in CSIR NET exam. Also in the CSIR NET 2019, somewhat different question was asked on number of microstates. So when residual entropy was asked, then you can use the formula Kb ln omega. Here the question was, the term symbol for the ground state of metal ion is 3p2. The residual entropy of a crystal of salt of this metal is at 0 Kelvin each. Question was very difficult to understand. The question was actually, the term symbol for the ground state of metal ion is 3p2. Then what will be the residual entropy of that crystal at 0 Kelvin? Here what is given? Term symbol. And we have seen when the term symbol is given, we have to use the formula 2j plus 1. So if 3p2 is given, it means that the value of j is 2, because the term symbol is represented as 2s plus 1 lj. So 2 is the value of j. Therefore we can calculate the microstate for this configuration. 2 into j की value 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5. So there are 5 microstate. Now in this formula the omega symbol is given, and that omega symbol is nothing but the number of microstates, and which is known as residual entropy. Therefore the answer is the residual entropy S is equal to Kb ln phi u in place of omega. Here omega was asked and omega is equal to microstates. Omega is equal to microstates. So the question was different but the answers are very similar. So we will revise once how the number of microstates can be calculated. Now see the brief summary. When the configuration is given, you can use the formula n factorial upon number of electrons factorial into n minus e factorial, number of remaining holes. When term is given, then you can use the formula 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. When term symbol is given, then you can use 2 into j plus 1. When Mulliken symbol is given, then you use the formula 2s plus 1 into dimension. And when residual entropy was asked, then the formula is omega equal to number of microstate, and that formula is Kb ln omega. So don't fear that omega is nothing but the number of microstate, and if one of the above is given, then you can use the respective formula for that calculation of number of microstate. If term symbol is given, then use this formula. If term is given, then you can use this formula. If Mulliken symbol is given, you use this formula, or configuration you use this formula for calculation of W. So in this way the microstates can be calculated. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.